How to fix no sound or video in YouTube app. Firstly, go to your App Store or Play Store on your device and search for YouTube app. After doing that, look for any updates that may be available for YouTube. If there are updates available, then update your app or else go back to your home page. Now make sure to check your device volume. Sometimes the problem might be with your device. So make sure to check if the videos and sounds are working on other apps. Scroll down your notification bar and make sure to put your device on outdoor. Now go back to your home page and navigate to the YouTube app. Tap and hold on the app and click on the eye icon. In App Info, scroll down and click on Storage. In Storage, you will see two options at the bottom. Click on the right option, Clear Cache. Again, go back to your home page. Now try to give your device a quick restart. Sometimes issues like this can be fixed with a simple restart. Make sure to also clear your background apps. Go to Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down. Click on Software Update option and look for any new software updates that may be available. Make sure that your device is running on the latest software. That's all for today. Thank you.